Hello everyone. We have Sharath Arun who cleared PMI ACP. In fact, he is a PMP certified already. So he said, okay, let me go one more. So it's coming with the ACP, Agile Certified Practitioner. So he recently relocated from London to India. Okay, end-to-end connecting. So he's more brilliant in the sense of preparation. He was so consistent as preparation, and the scores were always maintained in the same level. He read well, prepared well, did some mock exams, and went for the original exams and cleared it out. So wishes from Sri Learning team here for getting Agile certified to
Thank
Sharath.
you. Thank
Yep.
you so much.
So yeah, great. So of course, we had training, but still, his time zone is different. It was a lot of ups and downs in the training and listening, a lot of stuff. But one thing I understood with him is once he take a task, he gets inside. He goes to the end of it. So we listen to Sharath how things went on and how was his agile journey. Yes, Sharath.
Sure, Sriram. First of all, thank you very much. One good thing, in fact, two good things to have happened during this lockdown period and in this year 2020 is you helped me to get PMP certified and also PMI ACP certified. So this association, I really relish and I will definitely remember for a long time. You inculcated some discipline in me. Uh, See, to start with, I belong to your August batch. Soon after my PMP, I joined your PMI ACP, and the time it was at 3 a.m. in London. So I just joined your batch, and every Saturday and Sunday after you completed the class, Rahul used to upload the videos.
Okay.
So I did not even attend one single class. I just referred to those videos immediately
Great.
after the class. Once I woke up Saturday morning by 7:30, that was the first thing I was doing because by then you would have already completed
Yeah,
for
yeah.
that particular day. So
Mm,
one thing I missed is the live interaction,
mm,
which I really enjoyed during my PMP preparation.
mm.
I used to ask my questions over chat, and you used to answer right away. For that, I had to resort to WhatsApp chat now after the classes. Uh, Definitely, it was very helpful since I knew, I knew your frequency. I knew your teaching style. It was quite easy for me to get acquainted with how you go ahead with the classes. And as you suggested, I started studying the Mike Griffith book.
Mm,
I
mm.
studied once and I wanted to quickly take up my exam. And August batch, once it finished, I had scheduled my exam on 26th of September.
Okay.
Had some issues. It was proctor based exam. Had some issues with my system. Uh, it was sorted. I again took it. Though you suggested me to go to center, but I again took it as a proctor based exam, and it again repeated the same thing. The system hung, and it was quite frustrating. I heard of people who had this issue once, but I'm sure I'm the first person who had this issue twice. Same
Yeah,
issue.
yeah. Is it, Sharath, due to the PC model? I know I don't want to put the blame on the PC model, but is it anything relevant to Mac, Windows?
Yes, I use this MacBook Air, which I have used for my PMP exam as well. It
That it
was
worked.
it was very smooth. See, in PMP, the effort was more, the confusion was more,
Uh-huh.
exam was smooth for me. In ACP, everything went well in the preparation. I really prepared very well. But in the exam, the proctor-based exam, I really struggled. And it happened twice. And to keep the momentum going, because we prepare with an intention of completing this exam on a particular planned date, but when it doesn't happen, when we come to know we need to continue our hard work for another 15 days,
That's
another three
painful,
weeks,
man.
that actually tests us. And that requires a lot of motivation. You were really very helpful.
Right.
And
I know, Sharath, it's not easy because we will think that, okay, this Sunday it will be done. Monday on, we'll start doing our own work, watch something Netflix. Let me spend some time for myself. This is how we would have planned. And on Sunday, we'll tell another 10 days you want to continue. And what is going to happen?
and that happened twice in my case. You
Seriously.
know,
I admire your patience on that and your consistency. Really,
uh,
really.
yeah, I alone wouldn't have made it, Sriram, because you and Rahul were constantly messaging me in WhatsApp. You ensured that I do not lose track. That was very important. And I couldn't have got this kind of support from anyone else. It's only my mentor or coach who can give me this kind of support, who knows what I'm going through. For that, I really appreciate Sri Learning. And I really like the way you celebrate the success of people who get certified. Uh, One thing is that we feel happy being PMP or PMI ACP certified, but you celebrate that along with us. You feel the same kind of happiness that we do. And that really makes us special to be associated with you and Sri Learning.
That's true, Sharath, because getting a certificate is not that easy. Okay. See, I can take some training, I can give some guidance, but somebody has to believe, right, the other side. And when we see a belief from someone and they work hard, and I remember always you write in a yellow sheet and you put your mark and you put a tick marks and you share the screenshot to me. So whenever I see that color, that number, it's you in the WhatsApp. Very
Uh,
systematically doing that. I know this person is very systematic. When I talk to Rahul, Rahul tells her he's very systematically clear the exam. So whenever we see somebody very systematic, we understand this person is really going to clear the exam very smoothly. So that gives more joy when somebody is putting that effort, trusting on what we say. Actually, you don't have to trust us, right? But it's something telling you trust and go ahead and do it, and it shows your discipline there. So meantime, quickly I have to show your certificate. Okay, that's there we go. Ah, man, that's a wonderful certificate. Now, you know what? Now the Agile is really, really booming, and the market for Agile is going to be so high. Of course, Agile is there for nearly 18 or 20 years now. But again, with the PMI started showing more focus towards Agile, and in PMP, they are upgrading with 50% of the questions in Agile in PMP, right? Even though PMP is a mix of both, whereas ACP is 100% agile. So going forward, ACP may become a mandatory examination for many people who go for interviews. So when somebody I see complete agile certification, it's really going to add great value for them.
yes, definitely. And
Great.
yeah, let me share a few more things on
Yep.
how I prepared. I just told about Mike Griffith, and your videos were very helpful. I saw your video, each video twice, whereas I read Mike Griffith only once. Um, Till I wrote my first exam,
Okay.
which where I had system issues. Once I got more time to take my second proctor-based exam, that's when I went through Mike Griffith the second time. And I also ensured every day Rahul keeps sharing about five questions.
Mm.
That makes it very convenient. But if you
Mm.
miss it for 2 or 3 days, that piles up. So that was one target every day, just to spend about 15 minutes or 10 minutes with five questions.
Mm.
That keeps us on the move. And that was very much helpful. And in addition to that, I did one exam, mock exam given by Sri Learning, and one by Udemy. You gave me Udemy question paper as well. And then I got access to Prepcast. There I completed about two mock questions,
Very good.
question papers. So totally four mock question papers, and that's where you told me to stop. It's more than sufficient, and the scores were good.
Yeah.
Everywhere it was 70 or 75 plus. And yes, I also did the questions behind each chapter of Mike Griffith. And I also did the questions behind Head First PMP, though I did not read the Head First PMP, but I definitely attempted the questions.
I think you're talking about at first ACP.
You are right.
At first agile.
Sorry for that. The reason is the
You
gap
are in PMP mode still.
the gap between PMP and ACP was very less. So
Right, right, right. Good one, good one. So you read the book twice. You took practice tests in the book. You took some of the mock exams, including prepcast.
correct, correct.
That's interesting. So when you go to main exam, how do you find? Is it connected with what we learned, or
Yes,
it is a little bit away from there?
yes, yes. To be frank, being from PMP background, I felt it was quite lightweight,
Hmm.
agile, and it was not as tough as PMP. Still the satisfaction level is more for PMP, if you
Yeah,
ask me personally.
that's a heavy
And
punch.
yes, when it comes to ACP, it was kind of cakewalk, though it needed right kind of guidance from you, right kind of motivation, without which I wouldn't have made it the ACP as well. But I got a very strong foundation laid by you that really helped me for PMI ACP. And in the exam, mainly I saw more questions were from the team performance, stakeholder engagement, and also the team performance. They actually dominated the majority of the questions. It was not so tough.
Got you.
While answering, I always had a doubt if I'm answering the right question. The
Hmm.
other choice could be right. But once I hit the finish button, I was more or less confident I might get that congratulations message. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, the last attempt, it was in the center itself. After system issues in the first two proctor-based exam, this time I didn't take a chance. Though Corona scare was there, I took all the precautions, went to the center. And in my mind, I had that in next 2 days, I need to travel back to India. So that pressure was already there because I had to wind up all the stuff in London and I had to travel back. And with that in mind, I wrote this, but it was good. And I'm happy that out of 7 domains, in about 5 domains, it was above target for me. So that's fine. And finally happy that I was associated with Sri Learning, got two of the best certificates.
Right.
And I hope I get to join more of your classes. And I would also like to join some of the courses with you, which you have not yet started, which could be helpful for us. And you are doing a great job actually in preparing lots of project managers in both traditional and agile methods. So it would be great
Thanks a
if
lot.
we can continue to learn. Every year we'll be associated with a couple of certificates, and this journey goes on till we retire. That's
Thanks, Sharad. That's really overwhelming and to feel great to see somebody so committed like that. I know, Sharad, it's something not always from the training side. It needs somebody's personal commitment there. I found that with you with the PMP, same with the ACP, and I can see that there is some sort of discipline follow with you. Great. And in fact, we had to give thanks to you because you just relocated and a lot of stuff at your family side. And irrespective of that, you have step up to give some inputs to people who listen to this video can get an idea. Hey, it's possible. Read the book once or twice and practice few mock exams and be consistent on the preparation. Maybe 70, 75 score you get in the practice. You'll get to get the ACP clearly. Also, you gave a clue that if you're coming from the PMP background, it's a cakewalk. It's not going to be tough. But many I heard that after doing PMP, they do ACP, they say that, "Shriram, it's okay, man. It's not. I didn't get the punch like in PMP." Right?
yeah.
PMP,
What happens is PMP. We all know the kind of weightage it carries, and when
yes,
we prepare for PMP, we all give our best.
right.
And once we see that when we come to ACP, we already have that confidence behind us. And
Exactly.
uh,
Exactly.
more or less, we know that we will clear this
Yes,
ACP. More
yes.
or less, we know, but we don't disclose it, right?
Yeah, yeah, true, true, true. See, it's something like meeting PMP is something like meeting Basha. After meeting Basha, other people look, okay, man, I will handle you.
Right. And hopefully, this small interview will help some candidates. And since you are doing such a noble cause, just it's a small effort from people like me to just spend some 5 minutes in such videos so that
Right.
uh, others can get motivated or others, because like me, many people will tell, and each person will tell their own different approaches.
Exactly.
Aspirants should not get confused. They know their strengths and they should collect the positives from each one of us. What
Right.
I told might not suit everyone, and whatever suits them, they should collect it, and someone else could be a better guide for them as well. So,
Perfect. Perfect. You put the right points there today, Sharath. I think it's going to help a lot of people. Which book to read and what to practice. I think points are very clear there.
yeah,
Super. I know it's pretty late in the night. Thanks for coming up here and giving your valuable inputs.
my pleasure.
As you mentioned, let the journey continue with a lot of learning. I know you're a good book author as well. Sometime we'll catch up on an interview with you on your
Sure.
writing abilities and skills, so that let people come to know. So, what's a recent book of yours? We will also read that.
See, one book that I'm selling in the market that's in Amazon, that's Buy a House Without Home Loan. I'm more into finance, okay,
Okay.
my own interest.
I like this. Buy a house without a home loan. I like it.
Yeah, till I went to London, I was selling the hard copies through
Okay.
Amazon and myself.
Okay.
And now I'm just selling the Kindle edition. And my next book, the title is not yet fixed. It
Mhm.
should be in market by the end of 2021. I'll gift you one book
Wow.
once it is
Wow.
out.
Great. Great, Sharath. I'm so impressed. I remember the day when you explained about your book when you were in London by the time. I was so impressed the way you lead your life, in the sense of a corporate life, learning something, writing books. It's something impressive. I found it so interesting.
Thank
So,
you.
Sharath, yeah, good wishes for your new book, and let visitors of this YouTube video can get through your the book, this one in Amazon. I think since you're in India, you have to start selling your hard copies as well.
Yes, yes, I will start it because I'm just settling down. Maybe another 1 to 1.5 months.
Great.
People can order the hard copies of my book as well.
Fantastic. Good wishes from our side. Keep rocking and be a top star all the time.
Thank you so much, Sriram, and thanks for your time.
Great. Great. We'll catch up. Thank you.
Sure. Have a good day. Bye bye.